I really like the job 888 has done for my home. They put in a furnace that really fits to what my home needs. I like the tankless water heater. And basically, just as I told you, my home stays the same temperature all throughout the house and all throughout the day, especially during the winter and especially on very cold days. I automatically come in and I would set it for the 80s so that it could get halfway comfortable. And now I'm walking in there, I don't even go for the thermostat. It's nice room temperature. Glad to do it. And as I already told you, I'm going to recommend it to a couple of other folks.